Hi, and welcome to an English lesson with Rick. That's me, about the past simple tense. This tense is used for two main reasons. Number one, to describe something that happened in the past when its duration doesn't matter. Number two, to describe something that's very unlikely to happen in the present or future. The main forms of the past simple tense are, first, the affirmative, with the subject followed by the verb, and normally this has an ed ending. So in a sentence like, we played tennis last night, it's about something that happened in the past, and its duration doesn't matter. In the sentence, if I owned a car, I would drive home now, it's something unlikely to happen in the present. I probably won't suddenly own a car. The negative form of the past simple tense is made by starting with the subject, following that with the past form of do, which is didn't, then the main verb in the infinitive form. The sentence, we didn't play tennis last night, is about something that didn't happen in the past. The sentence, if I didn't own a car, I would stay here, is something negative and unlikely to happen in the present. The first part of that sentence, if I didn't own a car, sends the reader or listener the message that I do own a car, and I probably won't suddenly not own a car. The yes-no question form of the past simple tense begins with did. This is followed by the subject, and then the infinitive form of the main verb. In the sentence, did we play tennis last night? Someone is asking whether or not something happened in the past. The WH question form of the past simple tense begins with a question word, who, what, when, where, why, and we use how as well, which is followed by did, the subject, and then the infinitive of the main verb. If you ask the question, when did we play tennis? You are asking somebody if they remember when you did something that happened in the past. Although ed is the most common ending for past simple tense verbs, there are a bunch of exceptions. Some of the most used irregular past simple tense verbs are be, have, and do. The past simple tense form of be is either was or were. For have, the form is had, and for do, the past simple tense form is did. These verbs are used so often because they can be used as auxiliary verbs. Now you know the main reasons for using the past simple tense. You know the form for writing it or speaking it, and how to pronounce the most common three verbs in the past simple tense. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and learned a lot from it. See what I did there? Using the past simple tense twice. The past simple tense of enjoy is enjoyed, and the past simple tense of learn is learned. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson and learned a lot from it. Bye for now.